the wheels down.
Go get breakfast and then go to the shop because there's going to be no food. Probably can do. Yeah. And then go to the shop. Go up that appears, yeah. And start out. Yeah, that's the idea.
Going recently over.
Worst comes worst, you can get into the gap, the transfer guy stops. You must go to a supermarket or something, so get stopped there.
Yeah, it's kind of really good quality.
About another 30 seconds.
It's just like you can tell it was there. Not as good as a normal one.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Dalaman. Local time here is 2 hours ahead of the UK, so it's just like 11:45 in the evening. Can we please ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has parked the aircraft on the parking gate, and then he will turn out the seatbelt sign. Please take care when you open the overhead lockers in case items have moved during the landing. They could fall out and cause injury to yourself or somebody seated near you. We'd like to thank you for not smoking on the service. We'd also like to remind you that smoking is still not permitted until you are outside the terminal in a smoking area only. Any passengers that have requested special assistance to disembark the aircraft, such as wheelchair assistance, could we please ask you to remain seated until the other passengers have disembarked, and then the cabin crew can help you further. So on behalf of Avion Express and Thomas Cook Airlines, we'd like to thank you for travelling with us. We hope you have a fantastic time here in Turkey, and we look forward to being of service to you again in a week or two's time with Avion Express and Thomas Cook. So we'd just like to wish you a safe forward journey to your hotel accommodation. Thank you.